Alright, to input a density for a project, you go to Material Management right there from the main panel. You double click that, and then you want Sampling and Testing, and then Sample Information. And then this blank screen comes up. Well, I'm not going to use this one, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to delete that because I've already started one. And I'm going to come back down here to the one I've already started. And I pulled it up. The number's already there. Then you go in this blank spot, you put Project Test, Embankment. Now I picked Type C. Your project may need a different one. So you pick whatever comes up in the drop down list when you click on this. When you click on this search. So you got to pick one of those. Find out the one that has the right material code number for your project and to make sure the name's correct. So I'm going to cancel that because I've already picked one. You put your name or whoever did the density test in there, your code, and then you go to contract. You got to assign it a contract. So you click in this blank space right here and you come up to the new paper where it says new, click on that and then put your project number in it, and I'm going to put mine in. And then you hit tab. And then these are the 3 items you're going to pick from, whether it's C1 or C2 or the line number. If you're going to put in multiples for all these types of material, you can select each one of these by holding down the control button. I'm going to set the camera down. Alright, see, I've got them all selected. You hold the control and they all highlight. And you just say OK, and then they're all going to come up. And now we got one. So then you hit save. You want to save that. Then you go to tests, and this is where you enter your tests. Okay, so you click on the test method, you right click, hit search, and it's gonna be 115, TX115E, nuclear gauge method, I think. And then your lab ID goes in there, which is probably gonna be 058, or no, I'm sorry. Let's see, 18058 001. Mine is 056. Hit enter. Yours will be 058. And if you want, just put number 1 test. I'm going to pause this. Alright, I'm back. You put in the test number and then hit save, and then this comes up. So then you click on this green X right there, which is for X-Site Manager, and then this pops up once it gets done working. And then you put the grade of your material if you want in there. I always like to put multiple, but this is where all your stuff goes. You can enter one here first, and your test method is going to be 13, and then your max density, I don't have one off the top of my head, so I'm going to make one up. 150.1, oops, wrong keyboard. 150.1, and then arrow down, whoops, to, let's say, 12.2, arrow down twice. Your density standard 1385. I'm just putting in fictitious numbers just so you know. DC standard, moisture standard. And the moisture count. And then your WD, DD, and that's going to get on your moisture. You can go 11.9. And then this other one is the same as up here. These two boxes right there goes in here, so 150.1 and then 12.2. And if you want, put a station, and then you should be familiar with the rest of this. So you can go up here and upload it, and then it'll save it. But I'm not going to upload it because I don't, well, I can delete the test later. Okay, so you upload it, and it's uploaded, and I always like to enter more than one, so I click this box, and then all this information is already right here. And then you just click on this right here on this box, and you right click, whoops, you click on that thing and you do another TX and go through the same process, and you can keep going down and down and down and down and down and keep entering number after number. And that way and you got to fill out all this, which you've been doing before. All right, and then once you get it all done, and I like to, once I enter a line, I'll upload it. Enter another line, upload it. Enter another line, upload it. Because if you ever lose internet connection, or for whatever reason, and you enter a whole bunch of these and you don't get it uploaded before you lose the internet, all that data you're gonna have to start all over again. So I always like to enter and then upload, enter and then upload. Now if you want to do another test, a whole nother test, they got this is new probably since you've done this, but you can click on that and come over here and select another test to go on that sample ID number. So anyway, enjoy.